Hola bafethu kunjani? Toza abantu on the screen we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu naniyaza ngihambe ngedwa ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani kamereni ngithini mfokaswela mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one. Yebo baba.
On today's episode bafethu we are looking at abadlali abenze kahle kule season. We'll exclude the Cubs for now because some Cubs adinga ukuthi senze more research in terms of stats and everything.
Recap.
Yes. But nje i-league we all know what we're standing. Okay, we'll start with goalkeeper.
Yo. Okay.
Ngifuna unginemele your top 3 ebese masisunginemele your top 3 unginike one who's the goalkeeper of the season. Kanjalo defender kanjalo. You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But now Pelo, you must have a say.
No problem.
Don't just take my word for
I will have my say.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I will have my say.
We're talking about goalkeeper of the season, right?
Yes.
Go Betway. Okay.
Yes.
I feel like Oscaling my nominees,
Yes.
in no particular
Nominees.
order though. Just 3 goalkeepers.
Yes.
Okay, Peterson will be there nominated. Sipo Chain will be there nominated. I don't want to mention Ron Williams, but I feel like they could nominate Tukos.
Okay.
Yeah, a strange one, I know. I feel like those 3 they'll be nominated. And then the 3 who's winning it? I don't know how they choose based on what. If it's
No. You are making this as if like you are the one to choose.
Okay.
You have your own. Yabo mina mangathiwa ngibuza the same question. I will tell you.
Okay, I mean, I
and
can
tell you ukuthi this are my.
Okay.
This is my
This is me.
goalkeeper of this is based on this.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
This is my goalkeeper.
Yeah.
This is my goalkeeper
Exactly.
of the season. Besides,
Because you don't know the criteria anyway.
Besides being a supporter, but for me, Peterson is my goalkeeper of the season. Kaizer Chiefs wouldn't be number 3 without him. He played a very crucial role for me. So for me, that's my goalkeeper of the season.
All right. Okay, now you're expecting me the
I
same.
am expecting my vote. We can move on.
Okay, let's move on.
Yeah.
Because
Unless you
I
have
think
something.
this one is debatable. But
If you
it's
have
fine.
something, you can. If you want to talk clean sheet, you can. Because I know that's the only argument. But yeah.
Yeah, there are things that you guys don't really pay attention to.
But tell me now, aside
No.
the criteria is used. So we can't argue.
There are things angithi awungizwanga ukuthi ngisho ziphi izinto wayipho
I'm listening.
What I'm saying is there are things nini ningayibuka ningayisupport Pirates nje ngoba ngingafuna ukusho my 3. It's because I know very well ukuthi ngizosho lokhu bese uthi wena
Okay, Bush.
because of the clean sheet.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna
I'll
say.
Bush.
I'm not gonna say it.
Shaitris, phuma kule.
Rams. Yeah. What I'm saying to you, kunama games thina crucial kithi adlaliwe siwabuka phambi kwethu and we were saved by the goalkeeper. And lo goalkeeper lo it just so happens ukuthi ugoalkeeper uSipho Chayini. Ngizokubalela igame ye-Arrows yayidlala eMoses Mabhida, ngibalela igame yamaZulu yayidlala eMoses Mabhida. Ngikubalela igame yeSundowns esadliwa sidliwanga khona esayidraw. Ngikubalele futhi nayo lesayidliwa igame yeSundowns. The score was gonna be worse if it wasn't
Okay,
for
so
Sipho
now you're
Chayini.
justifying what you want to
I'm not justifying. I'm not justifying. The only time you guys nibona khona ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi sikhulume ngo Peterson. Phela fanele angithi la siya debate. So you can't then mangifika ne point and then when you come
You said you don't want to name your goalkeeper. I said name them. Name your 3.
ngitshelile ngifuna ukubalela. Yabo.
But already you has come to make the position.
Okay.
Ungabaleki.
Defender of the season.
Defender of the season for me is a tricky one. I feel like for me Osiyama has done very well. Even though he has gotten Genamsola and Maputa a few, but for me he's been outstanding. And then also McCarthy of Kaizer Chiefs has done well for me, very much well. I can't complain. And also I don't know, it's a pity to Guti. Osbelebele, this thing of defending didn't start in the season, but in the games that he played, for me he's been exceptionally well. So yeah, and then defender of the season. Hey, trick. I'll give it to CM. I'll give it to CM.
Okay, adlulele phambili
Uh-huh.
to the next one. Midfielder of the season.
Midfielder of the season.
Yeah.
We have Umkwena there. I don't know. I'm not quite sure about Adams. Performances.
No, season second half of the season.
You know, so he's skeptical, but his second leg of the season has been exceptionally well. So we have Umkwena there. We do have my boy of Kaizer Chiefs.
Uqale futhi naye second half of the season.
Fuck. Yo.
We do have Ayende.
Now, and looking at some of the games doesn't start. Most of the games doesn't
No.
start. It doesn't finish the game.
It's been there.
It doesn't finish the games.
No.
Yep.
No.
Even no, no, where was it?
No.
Yeah.
No, Rams.
Anyali.
Ayende ukuthi wena kufanele sikubekele ama stats.
Anyala.
You are showing us iside lakho esingala
Ngiyala.
la ku channel.
Ngiyala.
Ngicela ukubeka lokho babuke.
Ayende ngiyala.
Usikhombisa iside lakho akalazi la ku channel. Ayende has been scoring crucial goals. Yes.
So it's based on scoring.
It's not based on scoring kuphela. Ngikutshela ukuthi mina Ayende we have a track record yakho ukuthi he's been playing
Okay.
consistently.
But he's not gonna make it.
Uqala isizini ngeke uzuze ujaje umuntu ngokuthi uphumile egamini. Uphume wenzeni esephumile?
Ngeke phela simbale kodwa. Mina ngane yami le 3.
Okay, qhubeka.
Sinomkwena, sinondlovu, of Golden Arrows. I which is Zumbal Karateka, and then I'm not quite sure Mtian. Yeah, we can include Mtian. And then we know Mkwen with the 3.
All right.
Yeah.
Striker, I think we don't have to talk about it.
Strike, I think it's based on goals. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's based on
gonna be
goals,
golden
but
goal or
special
something.
mention to Leon.
Leon.
Yeah, it's a special mention.
For the fact that now, even
Yeah.
now, Akale, January, but the stats, like you were saying, it besides the stats, it's a very good goal pouch. Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you miss?
Goalkeeper of the sorry, saying it's goalkeeper again. Coach of the season.
Yo, obvious. That one is obvious. I don't even have to mention the coaches. It's obvious. The triple winner with Genzega win triple fun. How do you pronounce your coach's name?
Abdeslam Owadu.
Owadu. I think it's the coach of the season. First season and you.
Akanawo awekho amanye ama-nominees ubuka wafaka lapho bekhompyutha yedwa kanti.
Fine. I don't know.
Yeah.
For me,
Coach of Sundowns.
Why?
Because he's been pushing
Pushing
team
what?
to the
Oh,
phela la sibala PSL wena usewenza ngazo sibala wonke amaloko njalo.
Singubo something just to
PSL coach of the season.
Singubo something. Siyavuma sibala yonke. You remember because Chiefs is number 1 as I lose in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Was Middendorp the coach of the season?
No, he wasn't.
Exactly. So why can't also
mina uzoba phela ngithi sikhuluma ngecontender la and futhi njengamanje one thing ekhona ukuthi Pirates ayikayikhava Sundowns, which means that the coach vele in your rightful senses you should include him because Pirates phela it's not guaranteed.
Wait. Angithi kusho mina ngithi mina. Good category le. I don't feel like I need to mention 3 coaches.
Okay.
I'm saying the coach of the season or Pirates. How? What?
Kulungile bafethu. Tell us your 3. Sneakers the 3 on each and every category: defender, goalkeeper, midfielder, coach, player of the season.
It's called the players play.
No, we're going there.
No.
Player of the season, player of the season, all the mentions, and then emva kwalapho ubeka your number 1. In fact, you can categorize them in a sequence where your preferred sequence ukuthi uba number 1, 2 kanjalo no 3. Yeah. We're moving on now to the juicy ones. These are juicy ones. Player of the season.
Player of the season.
Player of the season.
Player.
Yeah.
Upuma Pirates, what? Okay, player. inkinga ukuthi inzima lento. It could be Relem Mofokeng, it could be Apolis.
No, when you are not the person who judge ukuthi kuzoba ubani. When you are saying your own person, lokukhumbula ukuthi mina this is mine.
My player's player, it's Relem Mofokeng.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you justify why? Okay.
Okay.
Do you have a
Admitting-
3?
Okay, man.
Do you have a 3?
Man, I'm justifying for get some effects in time. The players play is chosen by players, right? Okay. So I feel like Mofokeng, I don't think there's a player that can say he didn't do well compared to any other player. Hence, I'm saying if Ngzoti, it's Apolis. I'm sure even Apolis himself is saying Mofokeng did well than me in this season. That's why I'm saying players player. It happens sometimes like that. Could be a player's player and be a player of the season. So I'm just thinking, if that's how they vote, if you are being honest to themselves, I'm sure what police is saying, this boy has done well than me this season.
Okay, let's move on. Siyayivala. This is Umswati Lomnanzi's picks,
Yes.
guys. The next one will be my picks. You will be the one to ask me my picks, right? Yeah. See, we player of the season.
Player of the season is undebatable. Relem Mofokeng.
Okay, relevant.
That is why I'm saying I'm skeptical to say it does happen. You can be a player's player and be a player of the season. So
Yeah.
I feel like if the players are voting and they're being honest to themselves, they know with that point did very well. You know. So
Yeah.
for me, a player of the season is Relem Mofokeng.
If you can justify why.
I think for Orlando Pirates he's been a creative player. He's been scoring crucial goals. He makes Orlando Pirates play very good. That boy is just amazing. Make things easy. Sekumele akwenze la manje. Just 10 million.
All right. Perfect. Let's keep this lokujala going on the comments. Perfect. You tell us ukuthi
Wena ucabanga
kwenzakalani.
njani.
Wena yini wena icabangayo. We'll see you on the
And
next
the what?
one.